bridges, to change the roadblocks into stepping stones so that goods, services, ideas, people can move and we can benefit from the myriad of good ideas in different parts of our continent, and not work against nature. I think the drive of nature is that humanity is continuously on the move. That is why I am glad to join you and the International Organization for Migration in the launch of this highly informative report, The State of Migration in East and the Horn of Africa. This report is the fruit of a successful collaboration between IOM, the East African Community, and IGAD, and I am delighted to confirm that they have produced a highly useful document that will certainly go a long way in enhancing our understanding of the complex and dynamic nature of migration in our region. It is a comprehensive overview and an astute analysis of the migration trends and patterns. It is a timely addition to the common knowledge base of policymakers and practitioners in their quest for evidence-based insights to define the formulation, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation of public policy in connection with human mobility and human migration. A distinct accomplishment of this report is the way in which it has successfully built the connection between human mobility and our most important domestic and regional aspirations, thereby ensuring that various dimensions of migration as a phenomena are not addressed in isolation from other policy priorities. This nexus of policy and migration trends and what that portends for movement of people, movement of ideas, economic growth is a very, very welcome insight from this report. I therefore commend the entire team which worked on the production of the report for highlighting the nexus between human mobility and economic development and the positive role that migration plays in regional integration. Throughout human history, people have always moved near and far in search for opportunities to improve their livelihoods through trade and employment.